Good morning to all my brother and sister teachers here at the Alabama Destination Career Academy. One of our projects before we get out of here on December 18th is to take these wonderful postcards, which if yours are like mine are completely blank, and then change them to the same wonderful postcards but with the message written on them. Okay, there are two steps to this process, ladies and gentlemen. The first one is to go to Word. Now, here's how you do it, folks. I'm going to go step by step because this is the final process I have in front of you. How do you get there, you ask? Well, you go to File, go to Blank Document, go to Layout, go to Size. Now, these postcards they gave us are 4 by 6. So you just go down here. I believe for some reason it says Japanese postcard. Oh, I'm sorry. Or you can do the index card. I used the 4 by 6 inch 10 by 15. So you just click that. Now you see it comes in portrait. You've got to change the orientation to landscape. Now this will allow you to type all the way across. What you do is you have to judge yourself and type a little message like Happy Holidays. Okay. Now remember, do not go past halfway on this card or it will cross into where you put the address. All right, now having done that, I'm going to File. I'm going to show you the one I did. All right, guys, this is kind of a generic message. Mine states, we have had a very interesting 2020 school semester. I want to thank you for your efforts, and I want to wish you and your family a very happy holiday and a happy new year. I look forward to seeing everybody next semester. Now you're sitting there saying, okay, got the message, thanks. How do we print it? Well, as I said, your printer will handle it. Here's the tray. Open this up all the way. Put your cards in at the base, then close the guides. Okay, you should not be bending the cards. Put them facing this way. It's got to be so you can read it normally. And the side you want printed on goes down. You take this. Sorry, guys, I know you can't see my printer here. Slide the tray in. And since you've changed paper, most of us normally use 8 by 5 by 11. It's going to pop up. And it will tell you, do you want to modify your paper? You say yes. You change it to the 4 by 6, and then you change it to the plain paper thick option. All right. Now, I always double check to make sure, since these are so short, that they're down there and they're reaching. Once you've got the paper modified, it's just like printing a normal normal document. Gracious, I can talk. Go to your document, go Control P. I've already got most of my printed, so I'm just going to go 4 here and hit the print button. And it's starting to print as we speak, ladies and gentlemen. In a very short amount of time, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I realize there are ladies as well as gentlemen, so guys is kind of generic and no mean to offend. Your message is printed on the postcard. Now, if you have any question, guys, contact me at djekyll@k12.com since our email is working. And if you need to, I will be happy to go one-on-one through the steps. Thank you all for your time. You all have a great and wonderful day, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye.